What's up, guys? Andrew here, the Gamer Extra 60, and here taking a nature walk, I guess. Walking back home in the alley. Been outside all day, or half and most of the day. Next door neighbor dog. What do you want, Angel? What do you want? Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Get up here. I can't reach you. Anyways, just making a vlog. I'm outside hanging out with my brother and Taylor, friend. Dipshits, making a vlog. You want to be in it?
Yeah. Oh, dude, that would break that.
It's Easter.
I got shot in the nipple by him.
It's Easter weekend, and I shot Taylor.
You shot me in the belly.
Here, hold it. I can't show it because I don't know where to aim it.
Right here.
Yeah, I shot him with my gun. Yeah,
And then you shot me in the fucking head. You shot me in the nipple.
Taylor got a haircut. Yeah. We got,
you haters.
Tyler just shot me. We got guns. Miniature BB guns.
Get revenge from the little bastard.
Don't shoot him without his protection. Yeah. Getting ready for summer in, let's see, a month, I think. So, that'll be good. Probably gonna play some Xbox later. Don't really know. Been getting kind of bored of Xbox lately. Don't have any good games to play anymore. I'm getting kind of tired of playing the same games over and over. Where do you shoot him? The arm.
He's like this. I was aiming for his head. Shoot him with the shoulder. Goes like, oh, goddamn son of a bitch.
Well, I got shot in the head this morning with it.
Stop it.
Next door neighbors outside. Don't do that.
You're going down.
Yeah, really. Don't aim.
You're going down.
Dude, the next door neighbor's outside. She'll call the cops. Put that away.
Hopefully it doesn't go off.
Seriously.
You're like, oh, goddamn.
Go find the basketball.
I found a BB.
Oh yeah, my pants are falling. Anyways, getting distractions. Like I said before, Xbox has been getting really boring. Getting tired of playing the same games. Don't hide behind me. Disrupting my video. Getting bored of the same games. Like I said. Need new games to play. My gold on Xbox is gonna run out in a month. Next month, May. I think the 1st. So yeah, getting my PS3 back in a few weeks. So yeah, that's about it. And hopefully, I'm gonna, in the near future, I'm gonna try to improve on my videos and talk about more things and be better, I guess, about them. And I've never been really that good at talking at the camera, I guess. So give me some tips on how to be better at talking at the camera. That's what I call it. But give give me some tips on how to be familiar and how to let's see, and like how to get better at, I don't know, recording out in public and stuff. But yeah, as always, it's Andrew. Follow me on Twitter and don't shoot me. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I'll probably put that in the description. You can add me on Xbox, PSN, whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, favorite, subscribe if you're new. Trying to build up subscribers. I only have at least 30 now, and I'm trying to get as much viewers as I can. So yeah, peace out. See you later. Real funny. See you later. Happy Easter.